Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely hat. I like it very much. As you see, it's a really good texture, and you can make it for men or woman or child. You can find this hat's tutorial on my YouTube channel too. You can find it here now. I use 6mm crochet hook and a chunky yarn. I write the yarn's name at the descriptions box. If you can't find my yarn, I think you can't. You can use a size 6 yarn for this. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. For this hat, I will start with a 56 chain. You can measure your hat and chain like that. Only thing you must be sure about, it must be multiple of 2. I will take my chains like that. Be sure not to twist it. And make a slip stitch. Chain 2. This is not a stitch or double crochet or something. Just take the yarn. We will make the double crochets with this back stitch. I will start with the first one. And make double crochets all the chains. I complete my double crochet and slip stitch from that first stitch. Chain 2. Now we will make front post double crochet around this first double crochet. Just insert your hook from front to back and front again. Yarn over like that and just make a double crochet. For the second stitch, we will make a double crochet. Third stitch, we will make a front post again. And then a double crochet. Front post and double. Just keep doing like that for this row. When you finish, I'll see you again. I'm at the end. Now I will make a double crochet here and join from the first front post. Chain 2. For the third row, we will start with a double crochet. Make a double and make a front post. Make a double, make a front post crochet. I will just finish this row too. I'm finishing this row with the front post double crochet. Slip stitch from the first stitch. Just chain 2. Now we will make a front post and double. Front post and double. We will keep doing like this for this row, and I will make one row more starting with double and front post. That will be our brim. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it as you wish. Just complete it and we will start the hat. I'm at the row 6 and now I will turn my work like that and take it like that. Start to make the same things again. Chain 2 and make we will start with the front post like that. And the double front post, double. Only for this row, you can see our loops are back of our double crochets or front post double crochets. I'm saying this because I don't want you to get confused because of this. I will just complete this row too, like that. I'm at the end again and make a double crochet, chain 2 and start with a double crochet, front post, double crochet, front post. I will keep doing like that. I don't know how many rows I will make, but it could be 9 inches long, I think. I will just do it and come again in a few seconds. Okay, I made this almost 9 inches long, as you see. Now we will close the hat. Chain 2. Now I will start with a double crochet here, but I skip this and make a front post double here. Skip this one and make a front post again. Skip one, make a front post. I will keep doing like that and finish this row. I finish this row and join from the first stitch, chain 2, take this one and make half of a front post double crochet and make it again like that. Just half and another half. Finish them together. I will show you slowly. Yarn over, take a yarn, just pull it from this both loop and don't complete it. Make it again, complete them together. Like this I will finish this row too. I have one last front post double crochet here. I will make it like that and join from the first stitch. I'll just cut the yarn and sew it. Now I will close this hole like that. I'll just use this stitch just turn around like that and close it. I will just sew it like that for the secure and hide the tail. And it's finished. I made a black pompon, as you see, and it has a nice texture. I like it very much. Really, you can use it for women or men. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'll wait for your comment. Since Crochet is my Instagram address. That's it for me today. Hope to see you again.